person, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to trending at highlights, and here you will only find viral stickers. So you have to click until you find the desired sticker. There we have it, your person. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo that you want. I will go with this photo right here for the moment. You can make it bigger or smaller, and you can do the same thing with your sticker. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it. Click on the your story button from the left bottom corner, and your story is shared. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.